are my top 10 useful words in Italian. Vorrei, it means I would like. So you might say, vorrei un gelato. I would like an ice cream. Quanto costa? How much does it cost? You might say, quanto costa una birra? How much does a beer cost? Dove? You might say, dove è la banca? Where is the bank? Quando? Quando means when. So you might say, quando parte il treno per Firenze? When does the train for Florence leave? Grazie. It means thank you. Make sure you say the e on the end. Grazie, not grazie. Mi piace. It means I like. So you might say, sì, mi piace molto. I like something a lot. A che ora? What time? You might say, a che ora parte il prossimo treno? What time does the next train leave? Non capisco. I don't understand. Always useful, especially if you're in Italy and you don't understand somebody. Non capisco. Con. It means with. Very useful, especially in the cafe. You might want un tè con latte. So a tea with milk, for example. Prego. Prego. It means you're welcome. You hear this a lot in Italy. Prego. Prego.